gotta love those pipes. You just gotta love it. They are obnoxious. Man, those pipes are loud. It's just annoying. Okay, I'm gonna give you a quick look on the bike. Look at that. Right there, and we're going to talk about some of the updates that I want to do and all that. Okay, so here it is, and by the way, I'm heading up to the auto park. I want to get something to clean those white walls. If you guys got any comments or anything like that, let me know in the comment section as well. But I want to give you a quick look of the motorcycle right here in this parking lot and kind of give you kind of like a breakdown of everything that I have done so far. Hopefully the audio is good enough for this video, but here you have it. So if you're new here, this is a 2005 Road King Classic, and I want to kind of keep it with a classic look. As you guys know, leather bags comes in the classy look, and I went for this Viking bags. I'm going to do an update on this bags in a separate video, but again, really cool bags so far. I do love him. I do like him very much. So again, I do have the bags, I do have the trunk as well. Some of you guys know that already, but again, that's a quick look right there. And here's a quick look from the back, so you can see how the bags look and all that. So again, the bags have done really fantastic. Highly recommend that you could get them at a really good price. But again, that's going to be the bags right there. So I'm going to start right here on the front just to give you a look. Obviously, the biggest thing is going to be the 21 wheel that I put right here. 21 by 3 by 5, I believe. 52 spokes. And again, they are the fat spokes. And you can see it right here. This thing is just amazing. Really amazing. Came with the riders as well, chrome out. And it's amazing. It's like one of the coolest things that the bike has. The 21 makes the bike everything, as well as some of the risers. By the way, I did put risers. I believe they raise them up an inch right there. So again, I put some risers as well. And again, you know, it's riding really nice. Some of you guys that have asked me, how is the bike running after I put the 21? Great. Better than before, better than it ever ran. I'm going to tell you that 21 makes the bike ride so much better. I love it. I really do love it. Okay, so obviously that 21 was a pretty good amount of money. I did put the rims right here. I bought them in eBay or something. So again, you have this ring that goes around it, and you got this that goes around that as well. I do have a polish it a little bit. They're looking kind of crappy, but again, chrome is one of those things that you always have to keep up. But I'm going to tell you, those rims makes the bike look so much better. You can see the side view right there. It just gives it like a finished look. Really nice. I do have to put some lighting, something better, but I just don't want anything that looks like really future or anything like that. I want to get something that is really classic. If you guys got any recommendations or something, let me know in the comment section below. I did cover this on black. I don't know if I like it or not, but you know, that's there, right? Now, the other big thing that I did was this bars right here. And I mean, this was a big investment. I believe it was maybe about $1,000 after I was done with everything. But again, 16-inch burly bars, Gorilla, very classic. I do like him a lot. It kind of contours with the bike. As you can see, the bike has this kind of style. If you look back here, you know, everything, it kind of goes the same way. If you see this right here. So again, I do love the bars. I think they look fantastic. I'm going to give you a quick look from every side right here. And again, riding with 16-inch bars is so much better. Now, you can't even compare. I mean, apes are just so much better, right? And I did put, man, this controllers I made in chrome as well, and I think it was from Hill Country Cycle, I believe. And again, they all chrome out. You can see I kind of left the buttons in black. I thought it kind of goes with the whole black aspects or that I have here on this bike. So again, I did put the 16-inch cables. I got the one from Burley. And again, they're supposed to be chrome. There's already some rust and stuff. But here's the thing, guys. I live close to the beach. If you drive that way about 15 minutes, you're going to hit the beach. So this rust and all that, it's just so hard to keep it nice and clean. Again, the bars is one of the biggest things that I've done as well. I just love it, right? So if you come down to this side right here, you guys see that I put this monster sucker right there. I mean, I think it's very classic. If you look at it, it looks so classic. It looks like old school kind of look. And again, I love that as well. That was a pretty good upgrade that I mean, I think it makes the bike a lot. And again, when you sit there and when you ride the bike, it doesn't get in the way or anything like that. So I do like that very much, right? So all right, so we got 21, we got the rings, we got the apes, we got the monster sucker right here, we have the saddle, and this is from Saddle Man. This is a pretty decent saddle. I like it. It's not like a cross country kind of saddle, but you can ride it for a couple hours and be just fine. I do like the back support that I get right here as well. And although you could put a passenger in the back, really this back side, it's just in case, right? Really, it's not super comfortable for a person back there. But the saddle, it is comfy enough, right? It's comfy enough for a good ride around your town, around your neighborhood, you know, a couple hours or something like that. If you're gonna go cross country, I would probably pick a different saddle, right? But it does give the motorcycle really cool look, man. Really cool look, right? So again, I got the saddle. I already spoke about the bags. And the last thing that I got right here are the fishtails, right? 39-inch, and I think the company was called Mutasa, and this is how they look. I love the 39-inch. I love this thing sticking out like that. It's just something that I love it, and I'm gonna give you a sound bite right here. Here we go. And again, I'm gonna tell you, these pipes are freaking loud, just loud. Here's how the bike is looking. Really nice. Obviously, I'm kind of going for that Cholo style. So let me just tell you a couple things that I'm planning to do with the motorcycle, and you know, things that I'm gonna do obviously as time goes. I already come up to 2 years or so with this bike. So again, there's gonna be a lot more things that I want to do. So one thing for sure that I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna change the cam tensioners over here. As you guys know, those cam tensioners, they are known for breaking in 2005 and below. So I figure I convert the tensioners to hydraulic, which are the newest one. Screaming Eagle has a kit for that, and that's gonna be pretty good in my opinion. So I'm gonna do that. Might as well, when I'm there, I'm probably gonna put some cans. If you guys got any recommendations, put them down in the comments. Obviously, just gonna do some cans because, again, all that is gonna be put apart. Might as well just go the extra money with that. If I like the cans, that's about it. I'm not going for performance. I'm not going for any of that stuff. You know, if it rips pretty decently to me, it doesn't take much to essentially impress me. I'm good. This bike is not really for anything crazy. I do have my road glide that I enjoy riding. So I'm gonna do that. I am gonna change the floorboard. If you could see, all that is gonna go. I'm gonna put some big floorboards right there and change the pedals, change all that stuff, and whatever chrome I could put in here, I'm gonna put it in there. I know Jarhead sells like a bunch of chrome pieces for the engine. That's definitely gonna be on the bike. Like right here in the primary, there is a piece that covers that. There's another piece that goes in here. I mean, Jarhead has 1,000,002 pieces that are chrome out. I'm gonna chrome every piece that I can here in the engine, obviously everything that I can, and obviously floorboards, as well as this rear floor blowers right here, I'm gonna change as well. Also, just a thought, I'm not really sure if I'm gonna do or not, but maybe some airbags would be cool to put in the motorcycle. Actually, I think it would be really cool. The rear tire is not spokes. I may change the rear tire as well, but then again, not really sure. I mean, it kind of sucks to spend so much money on a rim that you can't see, but it's just one of those things that I know that I don't have a spoke ring in the back, so I do want to change that as well. So that's about it, guys. Let me know what you think. If you guys got anything that you think I should put on the bike, I really want to hear that, and I definitely appreciate any feedback or anything like that. With that being said, I'm gonna hit the store, and I'm definitely gonna go ahead and get something to clean those white walls. I appreciate you guys watching, and as always, God is in control.